I'm going to go over how to produce different types of retails from a cost today. I have a spreadsheet here where I have a cost column, then I have a markup column, and I could have used margin. It's just a different calculation for calculating retails, but I'm using markup today, and I've got everything at 40%. And I have here what I call a raw retail, and this raw retail is simply the cost in A2 multiplied by the sum of 1 plus the margin percentage, and that's going to give me $14 for this item, and then you can see it's calculating down for the others as well. Next, I put the whole number of the retail here, and I use the int function or integer function to pull out the whole number from cell C2. In the next column, I'm calculating the decimal of the retail, and to do that I'm subtracting what's in C2 from what's in D2 to get the decimal portion, and of course this one looks like it doesn't have a decimal, but then the others do. And then we get to the good part, the retails. Now, to calculate retails, a lot of times people want to round their retails to something that ends in a 9. And this first example, I've rounded everything to end in 49 or 99. And you see the if statement here that I've used to do this. I've put in an equal sign and if. I open my parenthesis, and then I use cell E2, which is the decimal part, and I say if E2 is greater than 0.49, then I'm going to go ahead and tack on my 99 cents to the whole number in D2. If it is not greater than, then this portion here comes in where I say use D2 plus 0.49, and you'll see that that is copied down here to each of these, and it is properly calculating the retail. You'll see here that 95 goes up to 99, 23 goes up to 49, and so on. However, if you want to get a little more granular, you could make a longer if statement here, and in this case I have rounded everything to 29, 49, 79, or 99. And it depends on how much you want to control your margins to determine how you want to do this, but this one's a little more involved. And so here we have, I'm taking the whole number and I'm doing the comparison in the if statement. I start out with my 79, and if it's greater than 79, I'm just simply telling it to round up using 99. And then I have to do another if, and you can embed if statements, there's no problem with that. It just gets a little more confusing the longer they are. But here I'm embedding an if statement. I'm saying, hey, if it's greater than 49, then use 79. If it's greater than 29, then use 49, and so on. And that works quite well here, as you can see. Since this decimal is 0, it just goes to 29. Since this one's 52, it goes to 79. 43 goes to 49, and it just goes up to one of those four levels: 29, 49, 79, or 99. In this last example, I've taken a little different tact. I've basically said I want to just round it to the nearest 9. And so here you'll see that $14 becomes $14.09, and then my 552 goes up to 559, and you can see all these working real well here. And to do that, I've just simply taken D2, the whole number, and you can see here that I've used a truncate statement here, and I've taken what's in E2, the decimal, times 10, and then I'm going to divide it again by 10 to get just the what's in the tens spot, and then I'm going to add 9 cents to that to bring it up to the nearest or to the 9. And so it's a little more complicated, but sometimes people just want to get real granular with their margins, and there's no problem with that. But this is how you do it, and I hope this has been helpful to you.